Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you Kerala Sadhya special Naranga curry or Citron Lemon pickle recipe. I have taken 2 small citron lemon. Cut it into small pieces. It's about 1 cup. To prepare the masala, we needed 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, some curry leaves, 1 lemon size tamarind, 2-3 green chillies according to your taste. Get a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoon oil. Split half teaspoon mustard seeds. Now add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed. Now add 2-3 red chillies. Now I am adding chopped ginger, garlic, curry leaves and green chillies. When its color changes slightly, add the tamarind pulp, about 1 cup. Let it come to boil. Now I am adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, two teaspoon chilli powder, salt to taste, now I am adding the lemon. Place the lid and let it cook for 2-3 minutes. Now it's completely cooked. Now add 1 to 2 teaspoons sugar to balance the taste. Instead of sugar you can use jaggery also. At last add 1/8 teaspoon hing and mix well. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then switch off the flame. Our Sadhya special lemon pickle is ready to serve now. If you like the video, please leave a like, and if you are watching without subscribing, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Please try the recipe and let me know your feedbacks in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.